Hi my friends, Sam Villa here. Today I'd like to share with you a real simple way to add visual value to a ponytail. What I've done is I've gone through and pre-blow dried. We did a directional blow dry working with our pillow-proof prime, which speeds up the process of blow drying and has conditioning benefits to it. Now, once we've done that, we've gone through and we pre-sectioned. We pre-sectioned a ponytail working from the temple areas all the way back to the center back. So it kind of just drops down to the center. Look what we did that's a little bit different. We picked up the nape area down below and added that into the ponytail. So the ponytail extends all the way down into the hairline, which gives us the section off to the left and the right side. And these are sheets of hair that we're actually going to fold into the ponytail. So what we want to do is split the side area in two. So we come through on the side, split that in two. Once we have that split in two, we're going to come through and just bring this just across the ponytail. When we bring it across the ponytail, I want you to reach inside with your index finger and create a hole. Now with this hole, what we're going to do, once we got the index finger there, and look how I massage that hair. That opens up the hole. Once I'm there, middle finger comes through, and now place in between your index and middle finger, and now just simply pull that through. Now we're going to do the same thing to the opposite side. We're going to come through, we're going to split this in two. So we want to come through, split in two. Where are you splitting it, Sam? I'm splitting it just behind the ear. We're going to bring it across, same thing. We wrap it across, step to the opposite side. Come across. And now we're going to go through and we're going to add a section, once again, here. We need to go inside on this side and create a hole. Once again, let the index finger create the hole. Bring it through. Massage the index finger and the thumb together, and that separates the hair. Once you have it separated, you see how it separates, allows my finger to come through. Now come through with the middle finger. Now place the section inside the index and middle finger, grab, and simply, lightly pull through. Now you can see what we've done is we've got those two sections that split the ponytail. And you can pull on them just for a little bit more tightness to that. Let's come back to our left side. Now we come through once again. We simply take the section and we cross. Now here's what's going to be interesting. I don't want you to take this section and put it in the same hole. So what we want to do is cross and look for your ponytail. Come in, massage, make sure your index finger is in a different position. Massage, see I just massaged that? That allows it to open it up. Once it's opened up, middle finger comes through. And now when middle finger comes through, now I'm ready to go. Simply slide and pull. And now I've got three strands in there. Let's just pull all of those so we get a little bit more tightness to it. Now we're going to take the last section. The last section we're going to come across. And once again, remember, we want to bring the index finger through, not the same hole, but a different hole. So we come through, taking the section, go above the elastic. So I go above the elastic, finger comes underneath, thumb goes on top, and just massage. And remember, the reason for massaging is because it's going to open up the hole. Now the index finger comes through. Now here comes the middle finger right through. I found by massaging, it spreads the hair, and now you're not getting the hair caught. Once you're here, simply come through. And when you're ready, you simply come through and we pull this section through. And this is the last section we're going to pull through. So I come through and pull through. Now once we have this, now it's just a matter of making this one ponytail. We simply take an elastic. Okay? Going to recommend that what we do is let's coat our elastics with Outshine 01 from Redken. Outshine 01 is a beautiful, beautiful anti-frizz polishing cream. But it also will help to buffer the cuticle and the elastic. With the elastic, a lot of times what happens, you get indentations on that cuticle and you can see the line of an elastic that's been on there for a while. So this will assist in terms of buffering it and just protects that cuticle. We combine everything together. We bring the elastic in. Okay. I'm just going to slide this elastic down to where I'm at. Okay. Now once I'm here, now we're simply going to take a hairpin. We take the hairpin. We're going to take the top of the hairpin. We're going to slide that underneath this elastic. Once we slide that underneath the elastic, it slides in diagonal. Now you maybe seen me do this before, but every time I do a ponytail with an elastic, I'm always finishing it by covering it up. The elastic, with this particular technique, we come in, we wrap, and we wrap. Now once I've got that wrapped, now I come through, and now I want to get this hair through that hairpin. So we come through, take another hairpin. Open the hairpin just like a threaded needle. Allow this, close the legs of the hairpin, and use this to bring the hair through the hairpin. Once we have it through the hairpin, pull on this, push down. Now bring your thumb underneath it and look for the hairpin. You can see my hairpin's there. Come through and simply pull this through, and you've been able to cover up that elastic. Simple little trick, adds visual value to a ponytail. Continue to check us out at Sam Villa, and we'll give you information that you can certainly use behind the chair.